Question 1. Chevrolet Bel Air, year 1957. The 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air is considered one of the most iconic American cars ever built, featuring the legendary 283 cubic inch V8 engine and becoming a symbol of 1950s automotive design with its distinctive tricolor paint schemes and chrome details. Question 2. Lagonda 2.6-litre, year 1949. The Lagonda 2.6-litre was powered by a dual overhead cam straight-six engine that produced 105 horsepower, making it one of the most sophisticated British luxury cars of its era, with a top speed of approximately 100 miles per hour. Question 3. Jaguar XK120, year 1950. The Jaguar XK120 was the first production car to exceed 120 miles per hour, which is reflected in its name. It became an instant legend and helped establish Jaguar as a maker of high-performance sports cars. Question 4. Ford Anglia, year 1959. The Ford Anglia became famous worldwide as the flying car in the Harry Potter films, though this pickup version is considerably rarer than the standard sedan. Question 5. Simca 5, year 1936. The Simca 5 was a French interpretation of the Fiat 500, built under license, and became one of the most iconic small cars of pre-war Europe with its charming convertible configuration. Question 6. International Harvester Travelall, year 1961. The International Harvester Travelall was one of the first modern SUVs, predating the Chevrolet Suburban and Ford Bronco, and became a cult classic for its rugged utility and spacious interior design. Question 7. Chevrolet Corvette, year 1953. The first-generation Chevrolet Corvette was America's first true sports car, featuring a unique fiberglass body that was revolutionary for its time and helped establish the Corvette as an automotive icon. Question 8. Jaguar XK120, year 1950. The Jaguar XK120 was the world's fastest production car when launched, capable of exceeding 120 miles per hour, which was revolutionary for the post-war era and inspired its model name. Question 9. Jaguar XK120, year 1949. The Jaguar XK120 was the fastest production car in the world when it was introduced, with a top speed of 120 miles per hour, which is where it got its name. Question 10. Holden FE, year 1956. The Holden FE was Australia's first domestically designed and manufactured car, representing a significant milestone in Australian automotive independence from British and American manufacturers. Question 11. Riley RMF, year 1948. The Riley RMF was known for its advanced independent front suspension and smooth 1.5-litre engine, making it one of the most sophisticated mid-range British cars of the late 1940s. Question 12. Volkswagen Beetle, year 1950. The Volkswagen Beetle is the best-selling car of all time with over 21 million units produced worldwide, and it remained in continuous production for nearly 70 years until 2003. Question 13. Bentley R-Type, year 1952. The Bentley R-Type was the first Bentley to feature a standard steel body instead of a chassis-only design, making it more affordable and accessible than previous models, though still an ultra-luxury vehicle. Question 14. Lagonda 2.6-litre drophead coupe, year 1949. The Lagonda 2.6-litre was one of the most luxurious British sports cars of its era, featuring a sophisticated twin-cam engine, and was favoured by wealthy enthusiasts and celebrities throughout the 1950s. Question 15. Rover P4, year 1959. The Rover P4 was nicknamed the Auntie Rover due to its conservative styling and appeal to older drivers, yet it was one of the most advanced British saloons of its time, with innovative features like a curved windscreen and advanced suspension. Question 16. Renault 4CV, year 1950. The Renault 4CV was France's answer to the Volkswagen Beetle and became one of the best-selling cars of the 1950s, with over 1 million units produced during its 15-year production run. Question 17. Morris Minor Traveller, year 1952. The Morris Minor Traveller featured distinctive wooden framing on its body sides, which was both a styling element and a structural component that helped distribute loads across the vehicle's frame. Question 18. Austin Healey 100, year 1953. The Austin Healey 100 was one of the first British sports cars to achieve significant success in American markets, and its lightweight design and powerful engine made it a formidable competitor in early 1950s motorsports.